Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will tell you how to add the video conference feature to your app. Log into your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the overview page. Next, under the Edit and Test and Go Live section, click on Edit. Now, to add the video conference feature, click on the Add Feature button in the sidebar, then click View All and search Video Conference. Click on the feature to add it to your app. Once you added the feature, you will see the feature listed in My Features section where you can edit, customize, and organize the added features the way you want. Now hover over the feature and you will have options to show hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, delete the feature, and move the feature. Now let's check out what all you can do with the newly added video conference feature. Click on the pencil icon here to edit and customize the feature. This is your page or feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon or an image from our library or upload your own custom icon image. Let's move to the content section now. To configure video conference, you need to provide Twilio credentials including Twilio account SID, API key, and account secret key. You can click on the eye icon here and refer to our tutorial to obtain these credentials. Once you have obtained all the keys, copy and paste them into their respected fields. Now let's start managing meetings. Click on Manage Meetings and you'll be redirected to your video conference dashboard. Here you will see your personal room name, personal ID, and personal room URL. On the dashboard, you can also view all the upcoming meetings. Now, click the Schedule button here to schedule a new meeting. Enter the meeting topic here and define the meeting description in this field. Next, select the date and time for which you want to schedule the meeting. From here, you can set the meeting duration and set the time zone. Now, if you want your users to join the meeting without any password, you can disable the meeting password toggle button. Else, you can enable it. If you enable the meeting password toggle button, then a password will be randomly generated in the meeting password field. If you want, you can change the password as per your needs. Please note the users will need to enter the same password when joining the meeting. Once done, click on Save and you will see that the meeting has been scheduled successfully. You can also check the meeting information such as meeting duration, meeting ID, date and time, password, and the meeting URL. You can click the eye icon to view the password. Now click on Copy Meeting Invitation and a new pop-up will open. Next, click this button here and the meeting details will be copied to the clipboard. You can paste the details where you would like to share them. From here, you can invite the participants via Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other mail service. Now click the Edit icon here to edit and update the meeting details. You can click the bin icon to permanently delete the meeting. Now let's go back to the meetings section. From here, you can manage the scheduled meetings and the previous meetings. On the Manage Meetings section, you can search the meeting by meeting ID and topic. You can also filter the meetings by date. Now let's move to the Settings section. The Settings section is further categorized into General Settings, Personal Meetings Settings, Language Settings, and the CMS page. First, let's check out the General Settings. From here, you can enable this toggle to make the email field mandatory for the users when joining the meeting. Similarly, you can embed the password in the invite link to allow the participants to join the meeting with just one click without the need for the password by enabling this toggle here. Once you're done changing the settings, click on Save. Now coming to the personal meeting settings, you can enable the host video toggle to start the meeting with the host video on. The host will still be able to enable or disable their video from the app. If you want to start the meeting with the participant videos on, then you can enable the participant video toggle. From here, you can change the personal room name. If you change the personal room name, then you and your participants will be able to view the changed name on the app. Now turn on this toggle here to enable password for the meeting hosted using the personal meeting ID. Once enabled, you will see the default password here, which you can change as per your needs. Once you are done with the changes, click on Save to continue. Let's now go ahead and check out the language settings. Under language settings, you can manage all text alerts and messages showing up in the video conference feature. Now let's move to the CMS page. On the CMS page, you can add the terms and conditions and privacy policy for your video conference app. Click on Save to update the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now let's go back and enable in-app purchase for this feature. Click the in-app settings icon in the side menu, then under in-app settings, enable the in-app toggle and provide the necessary credentials in the required fields. Please note you can enable in-app for both Android and iOS. For getting the credentials, you can click on the question mark icon and refer to our tutorial. After providing the credentials, you can use them as global credentials by checking this checkbox here. Please note you can also add new credentials if you want. Once you're done, click on Save to save the changes manually or directly click the Publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.